First help level for Solana by and large is at $28.20, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. Solana essentially is, as of now, esteemed at $172.88. Sol cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in a sort of enormous manner. Solana's EMA-10 entirely shows a vertical pattern in a by and large most certainly significant manner. So 5 April 2024. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Solana cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now and explicitly essentially attempt to answer these habitually most certainly in a real sense clarified some pressing issues facts. What truly is decently kind of momentary cost expectation for Solana certainly is Sol and excellent speculation, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Solana support and obstruction levels and so on, which truly is very huge. However, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Sol specialized investigation, especially really let us generally truly discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations, which certainly for the most part is genuinely huge. Market examination over the for the most part. In every practical sense, last 24 hours, there really was a ruin of 184%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to 492, 603, 616, 514, which basically explicitly shows that Solana in every practical sense is as of now esteemed at $172.88. Sol cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in an all things considered extremely huge way in an unobtrusive way. The extremely all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $105, 179, 779.26, which sort of is genuinely critical in a significant manner. Bitcoin shares 52.82% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large for the most part has a strength of 16.33% in an unpretentious manner, which especially sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66,895 level after a decay of 59%, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value diminishing of 3.8% coming to $257.94 during the past 24 hours. Pretty further appearance how yet prior to plunging in every practical sense profound into the Sol specialized examination. Certainly let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations, which especially explicitly is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time period in an in every way that really matters, especially significant way. Sol, the local coin of Solana explicitly, is somewhere near 857 and at present exchanging at $172.88, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 77% in esteem. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value decline of 3.18% coming to $257.94 during the past 24 hours, in every way that really matters. Further appearance how yet prior to jumping commonly exceptionally profound into the Sol specialized examination. Basically let us especially discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. These occasions for the most part fundamentally demonstrate that the market in a real sense by and large is going in a sort of descending heading for certainly present moment, showing how Solana support and obstruction levels and so on in a genuinely significant manner, which is very huge. Right now, a genuinely broad, especially bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Solana backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part truly recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So yet prior to plunging truly in every way that really matters, profound into the Sol specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us certainly discuss the especially current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Support most certainly is a level at which purchasers sort of become kind of basically more kind of dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any entirely further in a truly significant manner. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense fundamentally is a level at which vendors especially become move commonly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which essentially shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84. Following a value change of 19% within a similar time period, which generally is genuinely huge, which is very critical. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Solana Sol Solana. Execution. The cost of Solana Sol explicitly is at $172.88, down 857% in the decently truly beyond 24 hours, and really has a value change of 7 or 9% throughout the week, or so they in a real sense thought, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 591 635 53 as rest, while truly complete market cap came to $76.918 to 72 567 as USD. Extremely further appearance how Solana's MA10 explicitly shows a vertical pattern, or so they generally thought. They truly are right. Around 444 925 957 basically in every practical sense are available for use out of 573,350,49.89, which most certainly is very huge. Solana Value Examination Sol Cost Investigation for 5 April 2024 inside a quite of day-to-day time span fundamentally made sense of underneath, or so they by and large certainly thought in a significant manner. We utilize entirely relative strength indexes, moving commonly normal union and disparity MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving truly normal SMA and outstanding moving essentially normal AMA to in a real sense examine the future development of the Solana, which in a real sense especially shows that Solana support and opposition levels and so forth in a really significant manner. The Solus moving especially normal union and dissimilarity MACD pointer basically especially is demonstrating a by and large fundamentally present moment basically sell especially signal as the MACD line essentially is moving underneath truly beautiful sign line which especially implies certainly bears truly are overwhelming on the lookout. So as of now, a kind of really broad essentially fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they explicitly thought. While Sol's Williams %R marker in a real sense is at 49,481 for the 14-day time span showing an impartial condition, exchange extremely signal fundamentally is truly kind of conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how Solana support and opposition levels and so on, which basically is very critical, or so they by and large thought. The especially relative strength file RSI for Sol coin by and large truly is presently floating at 31 for 14 days genuinely normal line, which especially implies Sol in a real sense is simply recuperating from an oversold condition, which generally shows that following actually in a real sense are the help and opposition levels of Solana Sol Solana execution. The cost of Solana Sol certainly is at $172.88. Down 857% in the beyond 24 hours and truly has a value change of 7 or 9% throughout the week, or so they basically thought. Solana by and large basically is presently